In the video today, I'm going over how to reset the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 back to factory settings. The first thing you'll want to do is swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on the settings wheel in the upper right corner. From here, we're going to go up to Accounts and Backup and go to Manage Accounts. You're going to look for any and all Google accounts and make sure you remove them first, just like this. I'm going to tap on this Google account, tap Remove Account, hit Remove, press OK. Sometimes it may ask you to put in your fingerprint or your lock screen PIN or password, so be ready for that. Now that all the Google accounts are removed from the phone, you can continue to remove other accounts, but I normally just make sure the Google ones are removed. You can also remove the Samsung one as well. If not, it will ask you later on in the process. Now next, I'm going to hit the back button here. And this time at the bottom, it says under looking for something else, tap on Reset. And then look for factory data reset, the bottom option, and then give it a couple of seconds. It'll show you the rest of the apps that are currently installed that are going to be removed. We're going to hit reset. We'll ask you to put in your pattern, PIN, or password as a final verification step that you are who you say you are. Okay, we're going to hit delete all, but it should kick us back to our Samsung account. There it is. And it's basically saying, hey, can you confirm that you are the account holder for this account? So it will send us a text message that we have to open up to verify that we are the account holder and that we are the ones that are triggering this factory reset. I'm going to hit confirm, and then I'll put in the password to my Samsung account. Or if you don't remember your password, you can tap where it says verify with one-time email. If you tap here, you can hit send to email and go to inbox. Now, here, I've already removed that account from the phone, so I can't go back to that. But what I can do is on my other phone, I can look in my email and I can look for that verification code and do the final reset. The email should look like this: easily verify using a one-time permission from Samsung account. And I'm going to go up and hit continue. And that's it. So now that it has done that last little verification, our phone is in the process of resetting. It's going to remove all of your data from the phone, and then it's going to set it up like a brand new phone. So at this point, you don't need to do anything. Let the phone sit. It will go through multiple rounds of restarts. And when it's all done, you'll see a pop-up that will say welcome, and it will let you select a language. So this is the process to reset your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 back to factory settings. Some important things to note: your phone will need to be above 30% before you can start this reset. Anything below and it will not let you finish the process, so make sure your phone is fully charged. When you're in this mode, don't touch the phone, just let it do its restarts and let it get all the way to the end, and then you can begin setting up the phone like new. If you got value out of this video, bump the like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.